The perfect high, the perfect low, violent tales of broken bones. I like the pain but don't wanna get hurt. And I said let's have a wreck, let's have a train wreck.